Welcome to our bathroom mirror decorating guide. In just a few simple steps, we'll transform this ordinary mirror into a stunning focal point for your bathroom. First, let's start with the basics, the mirror glass itself. Ensure it's clean and free of any smudges or streaks for optimal reflection. Next, consider adding a frame for a touch of elegance. Choose a frame that complements your bathroom decor, whether it's sleek and modern or classic and ornate. To securely hang your mirror, use mounting brackets and hardware. Measure and mark the desired placement on the wall, then attach the brackets according to the provided instructions. For frameless mirrors, use adhesive or clips to attach the mirror to the wall. Apply the adhesive evenly along the edges of the mirror or use clips to hold it in place. Add trim around the perimeter of the mirror for a polished look. Choose from a variety of styles, such as metallic finishes or decorative molding. Illuminate your reflection with a lighting fixture built into or mounted around the mirror. Opt for LED lights for energy efficiency and even lighting. For added functionality and safety, consider applying anti-fog and anti-shatter films to the mirror. The anti-fog film prevents condensation buildup, while the anti-shatter film reduces the risk of breakage. Protect your mirror from moisture damage with a sealer. Apply the sealer to the frame and backing board to create a waterproof barrier. Use a mounting template to ensure accurate placement of your mirror. This handy tool will help you achieve the perfect position on the wall. For added stability, consider using corner braces or D-rings to reinforce the mirror frame. These small but mighty components will prevent sagging and ensure long-lasting durability. If you prefer a tilting mirror, install pivot hinges for adjustable angles. This feature allows you to customize your reflection for maximum comfort. Seal the edges of your mirror with gaskets to prevent water intrusion. This simple step will protect your mirror and prolong its lifespan. Finally, add functional elements like a shelf for storage or a magnifying mirror for close-up grooming tasks. These accessories will enhance the usability of your mirror while adding personal flair to your space. And there you have it. With the right components and a little creativity, you can transform your bathroom mirror into a stylish and functional focal point. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rofhome.com.